today is cloudy, today is sunny weather, today is a windy weather. Okay, so we are not sure about this. So this uncertain atmospheric condition over an area we can say as weather. Beta, there are the common elements to define weather and climate. What are the common elements of weather and climate? That is temperature. Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. These are the important elements or the components of climate and weather, and on that basis only the area of climate is the climate of an area is decided, and the weather conditions of an area is decided. So now next question is this season. What is season actually? So for that purpose, basically we observe that the weather conditions fluctuate very often even within a day. But there is some common when weather conditions fluctuate within a day. So this is weather only. This is described as weather. But when there is some common pattern over a few weeks or few months remains same. Atmospheric condition for few weeks and few months remains same for in a particular area. So accordingly this is described as season. Like days are cool or hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet or dry. So on that basis, on the basis of the generalized monthly atmospheric condition, the year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer or rainy season. You must have heard or read about the seasons in your junior classes. Okay, so here on the basis of this monthly atmospheric condition for 1 month, for 2 months, for 3 months or for 4 months. So basically accordingly the whole year is divided into different seasons. So now I think you people will be aware that to know about the difference between climate. You will be able to understand the difference between climate, weather and season. Okay. So now next we will move on this the whole world is divided into number of climatic regions. Do you know what type of climate India has and why it is so? So we will learn about in this chapter. Actually beta, the whole world is divided into number of climatic zones like cool temperate continental climate, equatorial climate, Arctic or polar climate, tropical wet or monsoon climate and Mediterranean climate. But there are other climatic zones also. So these are few examples of these different climatic zones in which the whole world is divided. So on that basis only we can say that India comes in tropical wet or monsoon type of climate. India is having a monsoon type of climate or tropical wet climate. Okay, because it lies between two climatic zones, tropical climate and temperate climatic zone. Now, so to understand the monsoon type of climate, so first we have to understand the term monsoon. What is monsoon? So the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which literally means season. From which language this word is derived? Arabic. What is the Arabic word? Mausim. And what is the literal meaning of this mausim? Season. So monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. This is the definition. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. This is known as monsoon. Okay.